Hi everyone. Today I explained it how to find the n number of factorial. First you need to notate what is factorial. A factorial of a number means multiplying all the number for 1 up to that number. For example, you need to find the 5 number of factorial. 5 multiply 4, 4 multiply 3, 3 multiply 2, 2 multiply 1. Then result equal to 120. So I hope you understand how to calculate the factorial number. So let's try the code. I noted we have one question. Why did I write num plus 1? We add plus 1 here because Python range function stop step before the last number. By writing num plus 1, we make sure our loop includes the number itself. We need to segment operator. Then we print the n number of factorial. Now we create a input variable. We need to call the function with n. Now we run the code. Check the results. Enter the 5. Now you can see the 5 number factorial is 120. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe for more videos.